How to get voice chat on Roblox. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to of course open our Roblox account right here and then go here on the upper right corner of the screen and then click the gear icon. After that, just click the settings which is right here. And then in this part, just scroll down until you see this check your age to get more features. So you have two options, which is continue with selfie or continue with ID. So I'm just going to click continue with selfie right here. And then after that, I just click continue and then click continue once again. Once your age has been estimated, so as you can see, they've estimated my age between 13 and 15. To get access to the voice chat, you need to be at least 13 or above. So what we're going to do is to just click OK. After that, once you do that, what we are going to do next is to go here on this part, which is the privacy and content restrictions, and then click communication. After that, click experience chat. And then for the experience chat and direct chat, make sure that it is both turned on. And then once you do that, what we're going to do is to just play one of the games that has a voice chat. So let's say, for example, that we're going to play this. So just open this Roblox app right here. And then in this part, what we are going to do is to just go here on this part. You will see this mic icon. So as you can see, I have now access to the voice chat. So all you have to do to unmute yourself is to click this. And then that is basically it. So if you don't see it right here, just go here on the Roblox settings, go on the settings icon, and then just scroll down and then look for voice chat, which is right here, and then make sure that it is connected. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to get voice chat on Roblox.